Story was the heat, humidity backing off now, and again we hit a high of 98 at the airport. Mostly clear skies out there this evening. Let's take a look at the numbers into detail right here. Here's the almanac from today. 98 was the high at the airport, 74 was the morning low, and the middle numbers, the second row, is the average for this time of year. Early April, middle April, that's what we should be hitting at this time of year. So look at this. 80 is the average high. 98 is almost 20 degrees above normal and only 2 degrees shy of the 1982 record set back, about a few decades ago. So again, that was a hot day. It was a hot day and a couple degrees just shy of the record here in San Antonio. Now, right now, we're still pretty warm. We're near 80 at the airport, above 80 at Stinson, 85 degrees over there. We have a northeast wind at about 9 miles an hour, but notice that direction from the north and northeast. What that's going to do is drive in some drier air over the next 24 hours, which is going to create and elevate our fire threat. Temperatures across the area, 78 here in the city, 84 at Cotulla, 81 at George West. We have some upper 60s, but far removed from San Antonio across the hill country near Gillespie County, Fredericksburg, and 74 over in Austin. Now, this has been the map that's been changing a lot over the last several hours. We had a weak front earlier this morning, and this morning we had cloud cover, patchy fog, a few sprinkles here and there, and even some good humidity set in place here in San Antonio. But now it has really backed off towards the coastal bend, and what that's going to do once again is elevate our fire threat. Breezy north winds tomorrow afternoon up to 20 miles an hour. Dry air plus drought, just a bad combo here in South Texas. It does back off slightly for Friday and Saturday, and that's all because of rising humidity, but tomorrow's setup is just very bad, very high for the fire danger forecast from the Texas A&M Forest Service across the region. It worsens out north and west near Val Verde County in West Texas near San Angelo and near the Big Bend National Park area. Now, here's the humidity trend day by day. What will help a little bit for Friday, Saturday, and even early Sunday for Easter weekend is the rising humidity. That'll give off a chance at a few sprinkles early Friday morning, but that will help with the fire threat. In the meantime, for your Thursday, it looks fine in the morning, very comfortable, maybe a light jacket before about 7 and 6 a.m., upper 50s. And temperature is trending cooler, around 84 degrees compared to today's 98 degree reading, which was again about 20 degrees above normal. Now, the severe weather outlook, it's out east where they have the threat of severe storms. Matter of fact, the Spurs are of course playing in New Orleans, and you can see right there, look at that, a squall line moving in from the northwest towards the southeast, and that last frame, a strong line of severe storms moving down I-10 and I-55, all associated with a larger system moving farther east, but again moving away from San Antonio. Speaking of, our best chance at rain Friday morning, just a few sprinkles, and Easter Sunday, but primarily in the evening hours after about 4 and 5. So let's walk you through this very quickly. Friday into Saturday, partly cloudy, some sunshine mixing there as well. And then here comes Sunday night around 5:30. A few outflow thunderstorms are going to move in from the north, and that may impact evening plans on Easter Sunday, but the morning and afternoon looks fine. All right, 7-day forecast, upper 80s through Friday, 95 on Saturday, 92 on Sunday. We trend cooler for Monday, Tuesday, and for Wednesday. Sharon.